Hello, this is Philip and welcome to my channel for this brand new series about retro gadgets. It's been a long time since my last video in English and I wanted to find a great game, a great programming game, and I found this for a while now, but I wasn't sure I wanted to do a series about this because this is very great. You have to build gadgets, and then you can code your gadgets with the language Lua. And I don't know about Lua. I'm learning it, and I thought that was fun to learn Lua using this retro gadgets game. But the problem is, it's a little difficult to learn the game and the language Lua at the same time. But, well, it's been a while since my last video in English, so I say, okay, do it. And we'll see if I do a lot of videos or not. For now, I just schedule 2 videos, and we'll see later if I do more or not. If you enjoy that, please tell me, and we'll see. I'm a beginner in Lua, so please excuse me if I don't code correctly with Lua. But okay, so let's start. So this is the screen menu. Okay, when you start a game, you start directly here. You have a tutorial. You can create gadgets, etc. So when you click in tutorial, you have access to this tutorial here, and those starter kits here. I didn't look at the starter kits. I have a look at some tutorials. I'll be back again in this thing. You can create a gadget, of course. You have a gadget directory of your computer. And no, I don't want to quit. Yes, this was this button here. You can access to the documentation website, okay, and then you are in this. So this is the website of the game, Gadget Retro. You have access to different things. This is much more a tutorial than the tutorial of the game. So if you want to learn a little more about the game, this is where you want to start. So you have different things. We're gonna look at this today in this video, and you have you have 3 tutorials here. Yes, okay, cookbook. Okay, so you have 3 tutorials here, detailed tutorials here, so you can look at this. And in the introduction, you have access to the official Lua introduction to programming. Here you have access to the reference manual, extension, syntax, the official YouTube channel for retro gadgets. So you can here learn how to do, okay, let me see that, semantic and the generic for, okay, if I want to write a for loop. Lua is a little different from other programming languages. It is very versatile. It seems that it's very versatile. It's 20 years old, okay, about 20 years old, and it is used in games, in video games, it seems. So this is not why I wanted to learn Lua. I wanted to learn Lua because I'm using Lua LaTeX. I don't know if you know LaTeX to edit text, scientist text and math test. I'm using LaTeX to write my lessons for my students, to write my exams, all of things. And since a little while, I'm now using not only not only LaTeX, but Lua LaTeX. And this is why I wanted to learn a little more about Lua. So you have all kind of things here. Okay, so, okay, I don't know what to say about that. So look at this, look at the website of Retro Gadget, look at those different things. You won't have a very precise tutorial. You have to look at this all alone. You have to learn all those stuff alone. So this is why it is a little difficult to learn the game and to learn how to program with Lua. This is why I don't know how many videos I will make about this, because I'm not sure I can do one video per week, for example. So if we look at the tutorial, you can say, for example, okay, the first tutorial is a tutorial octopus. I can click on this and I can print I can print that gadget. I can click here I can click on that thing here to close or open this thing, this multi-tool. Okay, and then you have to click on start here, and you have to follow the different instructions. Okay, so first of all, Retro Gadget is a sandbox game. You don't have any objectives. You have to do your own objective. So this is why it's a little difficult. And you have to click here in the left or right arrow if you want to continue to read. Okay, so this is your desktop. Okay, when gadgets are turned off, you can interact with the elements of your desktop that have blue handles. So, okay, you have some blue handles here, one here, and one here. Okay, and okay, drag the boards, etc. Okay, so you can open it because the gadget is on. So I have to close that, and now I can open this. Okay, so we won't look at the all the tutorial, but you can look at it, and you can then archive. You have an archive here. You can put your tutorial octopus in your archive, and then you can access to it again. Just have to drag it with the mouse. Okay, and you click here, and with the mouse you drag it in this archive draw. Okay, and you can also let me see that you can delete because when you put a gadget in your archive, it is automatically saved in your computer, and it is saved in this gadget directory. Okay, but when no, not that. This is to, no, I don't want to kit. I edit gadget, okay, and you have a name here. So no, I don't want to open. You have different assets. This is not what I want to do. You can't change. I wanted to know if you could change the value here. You can change the name of your gadget. Okay, so you can duplicate it and you can delete it. Okay, so this is what I want to do. Okay, and you can do the same with the starter kits. Okay, so let me show you what I did, and this is what I want to do. I did a calculator, and this is what I want to show you. So this is a very simple calculator. I can click on it to power on the calculator, and I can say, okay, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Wow. What I can't do with that calculator is to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 5, because it doesn't save all my operations, only the last one. So it saves only the 2 plus 3. But I can say 5.8 multiplied by 6 equals 34.8, and I can delete the screen if I want. And this is it. It's very 8 divided by 3 equals that number, okay, with an error here. I don't know why I have a 5 here. This is very strange, but okay, this is always strange with all program languages. Floating numbers are always a little strange, sorry. And if I do 8 divided by 0, I have an error, division by 0. Okay. So I want to do that, but if you no, I'd have to turn this off. And if you go to tutorial and here to starter kits, you have here you have different things, and you have this pixel electronic calculator. You can print it. When I let me tutorial starter kit doc. Okay, this is the exact same page. Okay, so let me go. Okay, archive pixel electronic calculator, and this is much more. It's better than mine. Okay, so I can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, 5 divided by 0 equals infinity, all right? And 8 divided by 3, 2.6666, and there is some mistakes here, and you have different button here. Okay. You can look at the code here. We won't do that today. I have to close that and put it here. Okay, so how can I build my calculator? So you can go to boards here, and you have different boards, your opaque and or transparent board. Okay, you can choose whatever you want, and let's say, for example, I can choose that one. Okay, and this is a little small. This is a little small board. You can click that. You can add another board right here. Okay, and you say this and say, no, you can't do that here. Okay, here you can, like this, and there is an automatic snap. Okay, I have to. Okay, I can do that, but I don't know if I want this one. You can choose that, and you can rotate, but I can't. Yes, it is with the right click of your mouse, you can rotate the elements. So let's say here, for example, this one like this, and maybe this. Okay, this is a very strange calculator, but why not? You can select, let me see if I have something great here. No, yes, here, for example, and another one right here, and maybe this thing here. Okay, and up, you can just click on this case, no, and you can just here on that button you can open it, right? And then you have this thing, I don't recall the name, but you can click here to have you can add some separation, but you can delete some separations here, and these are for if you want to have some stickers. And no, I don't want to do that. Let me open this. I want to change. Yes, I can change here the position of my button. So let's say, for example, right here, and this thing can go right there. And then I can, no, I can do that either. So maybe that wasn't a good choice, because I don't want this to be separated. Yeah, I can do that now. All right. Okay. So now I have one box like this. Okay. So I can open it, and you can turn it in the other side. Okay. So what I want to add in this calculator here is some. I want a computer. Okay. I want a computer chip, okay, a CPU. You have 3 different CPU. I can choose whatever I want. Maybe this little one, just because my calculator is not very powerful. You can put it where you want, and maybe not in that size. Let me put this here. This is your computer. When you click, you have access to your Lua code, okay? And the size of your computer is important for these event channels here. So with that computer, you only have 4 event channels, okay? With the with this middle one, you have access to 16 event channels, and with that one you have access to 64 event channels. Okay, so in this case I think that for my example, that computer should be enough. Okay, so I can delete that and this one, and here you have this name, CPU 0, and I think you can't change, you can change the name of the CPU. Okay, next, nothing else you need to have is a memory chip here. Okay, so let's say there. Not a memory, this is a ROM chip. I don't need any memory, I think. And I'll need, where is it? Input, no. I need another, yes. In input chip, you have, I can zoom in. I don't know if you see that, but there is the symbol of a joystick. Here, this is the letter key K. And here, I don't know for what it is, but I need that one. The key letter here, the K letter, is for keyboard. Okay, so when you need a keyboard, and when you can use your own keyboard, and this is great. And you have, so I have access to that keyboard, the keyboard chip. Okay, and here on the event channel, I can choose, for example, the keyboard chip, but this is not what I want to do. So okay, so this is the most important components of your calculator. And now I want, of course, an input. I want a keyboard. Okay, so right here. Okay, and I want, you can add some different button. I have this button here. I don't know what to put it. Okay, I want a button here. You have access to sticks, to switches, to sliders, a webcam, a video cam, and I want an output. All of these are LEDs, and you have different displays. Okay, but I just want that display for now. Okay, so you have gauges, speakers. And you can put, if you want, some decorations. So for example, I can, okay, I can put some decorations right here. No. like this. You see the end up changes a little. I can put one right here. It's just to show you, okay? You can put one there, and you have these little things, one here, and maybe one here, and another right here. Okay, and I can put the box back, and you have, okay, so the these decorations here are here and here, and these are here, and you have your four, I don't recall the name, no, don't recall the name. So. Okay, so this is my calculator. I need to change different things. Again, here, if I open that, I have access to my keyboard. So here I can change different thing, and this one, no, can do that. Okay, so here, this is the important part. If you want to use your own keyboard, you have to say, okay, software and hardware. Okay, hardware is my keyboard here. I can say, okay, so in Lua, tables starts with the index 1. In other programming languages, the index of a table, the first index of a table is always 0, but in Lua, the first index is always 1. So 1, 1 is the first row and the first column. So this is that button here. So I can say, okay, on that button, I want, let me see, like my keypad of my keyboard, I can say, okay, this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 7. Okay, so I print here 7. Next to the 7, I want 8. 8, I said, okay, and next to the 8, I want a 9, and here maybe I want the operations, so I can say, okay, asterisk hash x, y, up arrow, down arrow, but I want here the plus sign, okay, and you can do that for all the symbols, okay, so I will cut the video and I show you the results after that. Alright, so I did all the symbols here, and I can do that one too, I think. Hardware, okay, symbol right there, and I can click on AC or C. I never know what is to delete the screen, if it's better to say AC or just C. I think C is just to correct one character, and AC is maybe to delete all the screen. So let's say AC for now. Okay, so this is just the hardware symbols. Those are the hardware symbols, just to print those symbols here. And now I want to connect those numbers with my own keyboard. So for now I can say, okay, I can like this, and I can click on these buttons here, on those buttons. Okay, if you want to change things, of course you have to your gadgets has to be turned off. Okay, so, and if I click that, so now software input button input source. Okay, so here select the module, the keyboard chip 0, and I want for my keyboard to be the where is it, to be the keypad 7 for that one. This one, keyboard chip 0. So this is why you install a keyboard chip. Okay, so this is the 8, and the next one is the 9. Okay, so I do that for all the buttons. And the last ones, so for this decimal point here, I use the keypad period, and for the equal sign, I'll use the keypad enter, okay, that one. I don't have any equal symbol on my keypad, so keypad enter. And for the divide sign, I have on my keypad the divide sign here. So this is it. Okay, I hope I made any mistake. And for that one, I can, I think I can do the same. Input source, keyboard chip, and let's say I don't know, maybe the backspace character or the delete. Okay, the delete key of my keyboard. Okay, so you don't have to do that. Okay, be clear, you don't have to do that, but if you want to, you have to add this keyboard chip. Okay, chip, I don't know how to say that. Sorry. Okay, but if you just want to click manually with your mouth, you can do that. But if you want to use your keyboard, you have to install this keyboard chip, and you have to do all of those things. So if I press the 0 key, okay, this is working. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus, minus, multiply, divided, okay, enter, so, and period. Okay, all is working, and the delete key. Okay, so this works as well. I can't use a keyboard shortcut, a key from my keyboard to turn on the gadget, and this is it. Let me cut that, close that. Okay, so now if I turn up, down, okay, so this is working. Okay, no problem. All right, so now you can use this little okay, so you can paint your gadgets with so with the mouse wheel you can change the size of your paint. Okay, let me I can click here with the left click. I can choose green. You see on my on that painter, the green is is up. I don't know how to say that. So I can paint all of this green, and I can choose a smaller size. All right, and the bigger is that one. Okay, so this is great. And I have a second color. You see that there is the red color. You can right click to use the second color. Okay, so you can always have two colors. So I can left click on the yellow and right click on that blue. So I have selected two colors, and I can use it with the left and the right button. And okay, and you have this one. This is the circle one. You have a square form, okay, a square shape. So let me. Okay, so you can do that. Up, horizontal. Okay. You have a triangle shape and an hexagon shape. Okay, so you can paint your calculator with whatever you want. So you can say, okay, I want that color here. And maybe, I don't know, you want some decorations. Okay, I'm very bad at this. Okay. You can say, all right, I want that button here. Like this, for example, maybe a little more. Okay. I don't know. You can choose whatever you want. Let me try this color here. So you don't want to move because you have this. So this is why it is great to have two colors, because you can then, with one click, you can change that. Okay. This is too much. I'm very bad at this because I'm always moving. Okay, this is too much. No. Okay, so you see, you can be very precise if you are better than me. Okay, so this is very ugly, but you have the idea. Okay, so this is my very ugly calculator, and I think you can, if you go there, edit gadgets, here you can click on this one. Okay, you can say, okay, ugly calculator. Confirm that. You can change the name here of your file, but you can change that. And this is it. And now I can save my ugly calculator right here. And in the next episode, I show you how to program your calculator to use it. Now you just have to have some ideas of what you want to do, what kind of gadgets you want to do. Your only limitations is your imagination. Your only limitation, I don't know. You can switch off the light or switch on the light if you want. And this is it. Okay, so I'll make another video when I show you the code for my calculator, and we'll look at the code for that calculator too, to see what is better, why that calculator is better than mine. First of all, this is maybe more beautiful than mine. And this is another example of what I did. Okay. Yes, you can apply some don't recall, some stickers. Okay, you can put some stickers on your calculator or on your gadgets, and you have different gadgets here. Okay, you can try. You just look at the tutorials if you want to try some gadgets, and if you want to understand how it works, just do that. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, this new series, and see you very soon. Bye bye.